Why do 90% of traders lose money? Here's the brutal truth. They trade strategies they've never tested. You wouldn't drive a car without testing the brakes, so why risk real money on untested strategies? Today I'm revealing the exact step-by-step process professional traders use to backtest AI-generated strategies on TradingView. This separates winners from losers. Question: can't you just trust your gut and trade live? Absolutely not. Here's what backtesting reveals that gut feelings never will. Your strategy's actual win rate, maximum drawdown before it recovers, and how it performs in bull markets versus bear markets. Imagine discovering your strategy has a 40% drawdown before risking real capital. Backtesting saves your account from catastrophic losses. This is your safety net, your reality check, your survival tool. Step 1. Generate your strategy with PineGen AI. Here's where most traders don't realize the advantage. PineGen AI includes integrated backtesting right in the platform. Watch this. I generate an RSI plus MACD strategy and instantly see backtesting results. Win rate, profit factor, total return, all before I even open TradingView. But here's the game changer. You can refine the strategy right here based on backtest results. Add stop loss, adjust entry conditions, optimize parameters, all while watching backtest performance update in real time. You're not just generating code, you're engineering a profitable system. Step 2. Understanding what these numbers actually mean. Look at your PineGen AI backtest results. See win rate 65%? That means 65 out of 100 trades were profitable. You want this above 50%. Profit factor 1.8? That means you make $1.80 for every $1 you risk. Anything above 1.5 is solid. Total return shows your overall profit percentage. But here's the most important metric most traders ignore: maximum drawdown. This shows the biggest account drop during testing. If it's 30%, ask yourself, can I handle watching my account drop by 30% without panicking? If not, adjust your strategy until the drawdown is comfortable. Step 3. Deploy to TradingView only after PineGen AI backtesting looks good. Open TradingView's Pine Editor, paste your strategy code, and click Add to Chart. Your strategy now appears with visual buy and sell signals on the chart. Want even deeper analysis? Open TradingView's Strategy Tester tab to see detailed trade-by-trade breakdown. The beauty? You already optimized everything in PineGen AI. TradingView becomes your visual confirmation. Seeing your proven strategy work on real market data builds confidence before you trade live. This is how professionals trade. Test relentlessly before risking a single dollar. PineGen AI gives you integrated backtesting during strategy creation. Then TradingView provides deep performance analysis. We've got complete tutorial videos covering strategy building, indicator combinations, and advanced techniques. Check out our playlist. Start with PineGen AI's instant backtesting. Refine until profitable, then validate on TradingView. Your account will thank you. Subscribe for more trading guides and updates. Happy trading!